As Namibia continues to count votes in its presidential and national assembly elections, fears of potential rigging have surfaced, particularly following early results that show a commanding lead for the ruling SWAPO party. Sarabina mashoko atinoona kuti vakomana vekunamibia vakuchema vakuzhamba vatoona kuti aiwa SWAPO inoteka the early lead. Sarabina mashoko amudanyorwa panapa kuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda pana pamuzimba yamudanyora achiti in the latest figures released by the Electoral Commission of Namibia (ECN), the SWAPO party has surged ahead in both the presidential and national assembly races, prompting concerns over the transparency and fairness of the electoral process in the November 27 polls. For the presidential race, the ECN has reported that 19 out of the country's 121 constituencies have completed their vote counts. SWAPO's candidate Netumbo Nandi Ndaitwah is currently leading with 60.01% of the votes. She is followed by Dr. Paduleni Itula of the Independent Patriots of Change (IPC), who has garnered 23.48%, while the Landless People's Movement (LPM) candidate Bernardus Swadibui has secured 7.93%. Meanwhile, in the National Assembly elections, 18 constituencies have concluded their vote tallies. Ndo mashoko anobuditswa panapa tiona kuti awa vanhu vava nema-rigging fears. Patiri kuona macritics anobva ku-opposition parties ava vari kuraise ma-alarms vachiti aiwa election integrity apa maprocesses aiwa they were violated, hapamona integrity kana transparent kana credibility iripo. Noda kwokuti maresults ari kubuditswa havasi kumatambira. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu dzemafunguro enyu, musana subscribe or like, shout out the bell icon.